Good morning, everyone. I'm from Cumucore, and I want to present what I consider the most disruptive mobile technologies so far. So what we offer is a small box that is plugged into base stations together with the software that is running on the cloud or any virtual server. And with this solution, then you can have entire mobile network. The main benefit is that with this technology, then you can handle all the management, all the quality of service, everything on the network, up from the base station to the core. With this approach, the thing is that we can enable, we can enable new technologies, new business models, and the main thing is that we can become the sort of IKEA of mobile networks. We can deploy a network in less than 3 minutes, where in the previous technology you need months to deploy and install all the system. The other thing is that we can enable new business model in terms that you can pay based on what you use. Because if you need more capacity, then you launch more instances of the network. If you don't have that need, then you can reduce the instances of the network, and then you only pay basically what you are using. That means that we can have sort of dedicated networks for content providers, virtual operators, even media delivery companies. So that means that new sort of opportunities in terms of models for deploying new applications. Our team is formed basically by students. We have half of PhD students, and half of our team is ex-Nokia people. So we have experience from industry as well as from research. This activity has been the result of over 10 years of research in software-defined networks and mobile network virtualization. And now we have 3 pilots, one in Turkey, one in South Africa, and one in Italy. By the end of the year, we are targeting 3 more pilots and then go into commercials. Thank you.
Thank you. Can you tell a little bit more about the pilots? How you got those pilots, why they chose you, what kind of companies they are?
Right, so currently most of the customers that are requesting those pilots, they have to invest much more hardware in systems. And when they see that instead of investing in hardware, they can do the same sort of expansion using our software, then they want to verify that this technology can deliver the same quality, the same sort of requirements, similar to any hardware implementation. So once they have this sort of validation, then the plan is to move into commercialization, because we are moving from a fully hardware system into a software virtualized. So there are still a lot of mobile operators that are skeptical.
And just a short question on, how do you think about the competition from the established sort of Ericssons and Nokias of the world with huge R&Ds and set up distribution?
Right, that's a good question. The point is that we are more in sort of disruptive in the sense that all these providers, they are still targeting hardware-based solutions. They are still maintaining most of the components, and instead of that, we are removing all these extra elements, and everything is purely software.
Thank you.
Thank you.